It's a miracle, we're in. I love the fact I've purposely parked smack bang in the middle. I could move over either way. Actually, let another car pass.
I'm Batman.
I love that. It's like a cracking down.
Yeah. We went up to this necromantic goblin and she was trying to turn herself into a lich. And we got there and the elf that was with us read the instructions to turn yourself into a lich. It said that was a massive oak and she'd fallen through it. That was quite funny. But she was protected by a load of COPs with death knights. There was one of each type. So black, griffin, and
Grey, Templar, Knight of Pain, those knights.
there was one of each type and every oh my god, it's a freaking nightmare. Absolute nightmare.
Get off, head to this cave, get it ready to be set up so the Mythonese can turn up and start building. Well, I don't really know how they do it, but
Have they got all the resources that they need to build the portal?
I'm assuming so. We'll transport you through, get you on a cart, get you headed towards this cave.
I think most of them have it around here, to be honest. Yeah. Well, it was quite a
With Simon and I now doing the same job on different ships, Simon's now off for a few months. He's now retired as Knight Commander and is now going to be playing a crown when he gets back, where I'm literally chucking stuff into storage now, as you can see, and I now have minimal kit for 2 characters I play of Fools and Heroes and Curious Pastimes. Subscribe, like this video, and there's more videos be coming soon.